In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the background color inside of Tradingview. So the first thing you want to do is just open up a chart inside of Tradingview, and I've just got the Bitcoin chart open here. Now, if you wanted to change the background color between white and black, you can do that simply by right clicking on the chart, then going down to color theme, and then choosing either light or dark. And from there, you'll be able to change the color of the background. Now, if you wanted to start editing it and making it whatever color you like, you'd have to go up to the top right corner, then look for this little cog icon which says chart settings. And when you click on it, you'll automatically be taken to this symbol tab, but you want to go down to where it says canvas. And this will actually allow us to start changing the background. So if you wanted to start changing the background, you can simply go over to where it says background here, and you can either keep it at a gradient where it will change colors slowly, or you can change it to solid and then choose a solid color. As you can see, whatever color we pick, it changes the background of our chart, and you can do it to whatever you like. Now, if you wanted to keep it as a gradient, you can do that. And from there, you'd have to pick two colors. So you could do it changing from white into black, for example, or white into purple. You can choose exactly what you want and customize it just how you like. But I'm going to change it back to what it was on before. You can also change other things inside of this section, including the grid lines. So right now you can see vertical and horizontal lines. But if you just wanted vertical, you could do that. If you just wanted horizontal, you could do that, and so on. So if you want to customize this, I'd recommend that you mess around with these settings and get it looking exactly how you like. So that's how you can change the background color in Tradingview. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.